Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Andrew Zhang, and this is Fine Little Chef. Today we are going to be making delicious oven-baked brownies. To get started, you'll need a big bowl. Then add 3/4 cups of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar. Then mix until the butter and the sugar is incorporated. My hands be so slow that I had to speed it up to 3.5. Then add 2 eggs. Then mix. Can we stop mixing? My hands are so tired. Then add half a cup of melted chocolate. Then mix. Like in every video, why do we have to mix? Then add 3/4 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of your delicious cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, then mix. This thing is so slow that literally if I put it to 6, it will be glitching. Then add half a cup of chocolate chips. Then mix. I can't even say it enough. Now set this aside. Then get a pan where you'll be putting your brownie batter in. Then put parchment paper on your pan and then put your brownie mix inside. Then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Once you're about to eat, let it cool about for 20 minutes, then you can eat. Now you can eat your delicious brownies. And here is an example of the brownies. Nom 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 nom. Delicious. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more, click the subscribe button and like the video. And if you have any suggestions, say it in the comment section below.